food is ready. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ifya Kimura here. If you're old here, I appreciate you for coming back. And if today is your first time clicking on my video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of such interesting videos. In today's video, join me as I cook with Mrs. Anna Albright Sena. She is the wife of Odehyieba Priscilla's manager, Mr. Theophilus Sena, and she is a professional cook. She wants to test my cooking skills, but I know we are not going to feel viewers, so just day my back as we do this. You're going to prepare banku. It's actually etso, but you're going to add a little bit of what do you call it, cassava dough, so that it doesn't become too hard. So you're going to prepare banku and Fante Fante is a local food for the Fante. So that's what you're going to do now. So stay tuned and let's get right into the video. So we've started already by preparing the fish and then also putting the condo, the mixed condo and the cassava dough on fire to mix it to make it banku. It's not a cooking tutorial though. The Fante Fante is prepared with fresh fish. So we are going to use our pala, or some people call it PS, and red fish is not that red fish, real, but in Kumasi they call it red fish. So these two fishes that you're going to use, the pala and the red fish. And guys, so if you don't know, now she's Odehyieba Priscilla's new mom. That's what I call her, and she's Mrs. Sena Albright, and that's it. Mefia is using the pepper grinding. Wow. Okay, Osei. It's a super one. David. What kind of name they change now? I want to know. She is the CEO of Albright Sena in Comassie, and we have a branch in Accra now. So for any event, either funeral, wedding, conference, party, anything event, you just contact us. If you need ashes, we got you covered. You can contact through me. God, I'm going back home. Like me, they didn't say. The food is ready. Our Fante Fante. It's Fante Fante. See the palana red fish in the mixing. You get it? It's almost ready, okay? So our Fante Fante is ready now. My baby and in my carry. I come at it was actually fun cooking together, and guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Actually, I didn't fail the cooking test. I passed. Yeah, I passed. And if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, leave a comment in the comment section below, and until we meet again in my next video, is a girl if you are Kimora here. Love you and bye bye.